my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When a couple starts living together, each tries the dishes they grew up with. Hey, it's a delicious way to learn from each other, right? Through my husband, I discovered many German and Eastern European dishes. There's a soup that I thought was okay until I put my own little touch to it. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make the best beef borscht ever. With fresh ingredients and seasonings. This is a great comfort food to enjoy during the cold months. I like to serve it with crusty bread for a complete meal. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here's our beef blade steak that we trimmed and cubed into half-inch pieces. And then we'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, in a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we'll add canola oil, and when it gets hot, working in batches, we'll add the beef cubes. We'll saute them until browned on all sides. It won't take much time, about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Using a slaughter spoon, we'll transfer the cubes to a bowl and set aside while working with the remaining ones. When the meat is done, we'll reduce the heat to medium and add a couple tablespoons of butter. When it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add a cup of each: onions, carrots, and celery. The traditional French mirepoix is 2 parts onion to 1 part celery and carrot, but in this recipe, I prefer equal amount. But you can always make a mirepoix instead, which is doubling the amount of onions. We'll season our vegetables generously with ground sea salt and saute until they're almost soft, about 4 minutes, scraping the bottom of the pot to dislodge any brown bits. Now we'll have to be fast so nothing burns. We'll add pressed garlic, ground cumin, ground coriander, and granulated sugar. We'll stir for about 30 seconds. Before making any recipe, it is important to have your mise en place ready, okay? To this, we'll add tomato paste and stir to coat. To get a great trick on how to salvage the rest of the can, click on the top right corner of your screen. Now we'll add the beets and stir to combine. Look how nice it is. So colorful. Yum. We'll return the meat to the pot, including any accumulated juices, chopped green cabbage, some beef broth, as well as vegetable broth. I like the combination, but you can go all beef if you prefer. And 2 bay leaves. We'll stir well and bring the mixture to a soft boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat back to medium and set the timer for 45 minutes. Half an hour later, we'll add hot paprika and balsamic vinegar. I know both ingredients are not traditional, but they sure make it taste better. Of course, we'll stir and cook for the remaining 15 minutes. Before serving, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. It might need a little bit more salt. We'll ladle the soup into serving bowls, spoon some sour cream, and garnish with fresh chopped dill. For a complete meal, serve it with crusty bread. And my friends, this is our best beef borscht. Healthy and delicious, this is a hearty and satisfying soup to enjoy during the fall and winter months. With a few added ingredients, this classic recipe is a great comfort food your family will love. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!